Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a Instagram controls my life, and if you have never seen my face before, hello, my name is Catherine Christian and I would love it for you guys to subscribe to my channel. The link is down below or at the end of this video right up here. And before we get started, you probably recognize I'm not in my usual filming space, and that is because for this week I am down at my sister's house and I am dog sitting 3 dogs right now. It's kind of crazy, but we're just rolling along with it. And I decided to do an Instagram controls my life because I was kind of out of video ideas. I've actually wanted to do this for a while. I just haven't had a good excuse to do it, but now I do. So let's just get right on into the video. So I'm filming the rest of this video as a vlog style, so that way it'll be a little easier for me to go around and do things if I end up doing anything. And my first poll went up and has been up for about an hour now. And it was, for lunch, should I eat in or eat out? And it is 61% eat in. So I will be eating in for lunch and watching some NCIS. For my next poll, I did, should we go for a walk or play with a toy? Because I am dog sitting 3 dogs right now, and it is 71% go for a walk, and I had to change because it's really hot outside. Or not super hot, but it's like hot enough where I'll sweat, and I don't want to sweat in the clothes that I was wearing, so I changed. But when I take them on walks, I have to do 2 separate walks because it's really hard to walk 3 dogs when 2 of them aren't really good at walking on leashes, I would say, because they like go in all directions and everyone gets tangled. So I'm gonna go on 2 walks today, so let's see how this goes. Come on, Cogsworth. Come on, buddy. When I did my poll for coffee versus tea, the coffee one, so I got iced caramel macchiato, which I obviously have drank by now. I did a poll for the Disney store, but I wasn't finding what I was looking for when I went there, so I didn't get anything. Now I'm gonna go home or somewhere. I'm actually gonna go to Target because we're out of paper towels now. So it was kind of an unsuccessful day of shopping. I only got like 2 small things. I had a poll up for a little bit. It was, what should I listen to in the car? And it was a mix between my oldies or playlist or my summer favorites playlist. And it's been right at 50%. And I was waiting until I was gonna drive home to listen to the music on my poll, and right now it is 52% oldies playlist. So I will be listening to my oldies playlist on Spotify. I'll have it linked down below. So an update now, while all of the doggos are watching me, I put up a thing asking which salad should I have for dinner, if there are 1 or 2. And 2 is winning by 62%. That's the turkey and bacon Cobb salad. After I eat that and watch an episode of NCIS, I'm gonna see what everyone says for dessert. I personally really want to go to frozen yogurt, but I have a feeling that baking brownies is the one that's gonna win. So, alright, so my dessert thing has been up for about half an hour now, and it is 93% said bake brownies. So I'm gonna bake my brownies while I watch some NCIS. And then we'll see what we'll do from there. My last poll was, should I edit my vlog or watch NCIS? And when I was planning on doing it and getting everything ready and whatnot, it was 52% edit my vlog and 48% watch NCIS. And now that I'm looking at it, it shifted around. So I guess I'm just gonna do both since it's pretty close. I really hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite part of the Instagram controls my day was. Anyway, I know this is just really awful lighting, but so yeah. Make sure you follow my Instagram for another time that I do an Instagram controls my day or just something along with my Instagram. Make sure to follow that so you can be involved with this. Also make sure to follow my Twitter where I tweet out all of my video links and everything. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel. I would love it if you would do so. It would mean so much to me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!